hope you guys have seen some of the BLAZEPOD accessories. Let's take a closer look and I'll show you how you can get even more out of your pods. There are so many reasons to want to lift the pods off the floor. Plyometric drills, hanging drills, raising the pods to the eye level to keep your head up, and so many more, depending on your field. So, the first way we can lift up the pods is by using one of the functional adapters. They come with the adapter itself, the strap, and the suction cup. Let's attach the pods to the rig using the strap. Just insert it into the slot on the back of the adapter. Tie it around the rig and simply insert the end into the buckle and tighten. Now, take the pod and click it into place. It should sit nice and tight. Now let's attach the pods to the mirror and work on some quick fire reaction times. Grab your adapter and the suction cup. Insert the back of the suction cup into the bigger hole on the back of the adapter and then move it up to the smaller hole. You'll need to twist it a bit to move it in.
You sure you can handle? Okay, we can take my lamb back then. I'll put on a tight chip.
Another great adapter is the BLAZEPOD cone adapter. Simply connect the cone adapter to the back of the home adapter by pushing it in place. Then, sit the adapter on top of the cone. This could be perfect for basketball and football drills and those school physical education drills.